What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy BQ Kim back with another video, man. Listen, bruh. Today I'm finna show y'all how to use Pops and Bangs map on your tune. Whether your tune was Z1 or Admin or Martin or whoever. I'm gonna teach y'all how to use it. Alright. The first thing you're gonna do, let me show y'all real quick. First thing you're gonna do to turn it on, if you was Z1, I don't know if other tunes do this, but if you was Z1, they give you the option to have your default setting to whether you turn the car on and the bubbles is already on, or you have to press, you know, up on the cruise control button in order to turn it on. So once you got it turned on, you ready to rock and roll. You feel me? You ready to bang bang, skitty bop bop type shit. That was lame as fuck. I'm gonna give y'all a little sum up on how to do it, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Basically, if you tune by Z1, I don't know if other tunes are like this, but if you're tuned by Z1, you have to be above 4,000 RPMs in order to start popping. So you'll get your car above 4,000 RPMs, and what you do is you let off and then apply just 1% throttle and hold it on there. So when you let off, it's gonna pop the whole time when you apply the throttle back. And the higher the RPMs, the louder the pops are gonna be, and the longer they're gonna be, however long you hold the gas. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the GoPro strapped on for y'all, and I'm gonna demonstrate and give y'all a POV drive right now. All right, y'all, so first you wanna make sure you're in your burble setting or tune or whatever. So you're gonna hit up twice on the cruise control button. Second, y'all wanna put y'all shit in manual mode. So you just shift it over and either upshift it or downshift it. Now you're in manual. So the key is you gotta get it above 4,000 RPMs in order for it to start popping. And to get it to pop, you let off the gas and then put your foot back on the throttle just a tad percent, like I'm talking about like 1% throttle, and just hold it on there. I'm about to show y'all right now. I'm gonna just make sure ain't no cops in the spots that usually cops be at. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna downshift. Downshift again. Y'all hear that? I'm barely giving it throttle, just a tad bit. And you see how now I'm barely above 4K, so it's not doing it. But I gotta get it. Now I'm above 4K and it's doing it. Different ways you can do it. The higher you are in RPMs and you let off and pop it, the louder the pop's gonna be. The lower you are, the smaller the bubbles are gonna be. And you can also tap on it, but first you have to hold it first, and then you can start tapping it. So like you give it, you'll let off and then hold it, and then you can tap it over and over to do like single pops instead of just long bubbles. So I'm gonna show y'all that after this like. That's basically how you sum it up. So y'all tell me in the comments which one y'all like better. Y'all like the Glock with a switch, or y'all like the AK where you got a you know, semi-automatic? Semi-auto or full auto? What y'all prefer?
The police prefer to put you in jail.
Hey, damn. What the fuck? Two for that. It sound like shooting flames though. Shit slipped. Yes, sir. Hey man, I appreciate y'all for watching. If y'all enjoyed that video, y'all give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that. And let me know if I should continue doing POV drives or not. Leave feedback and tell me what y'all want to see, and I'll try to, you know, do more for y'all specifically. Yeah, I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.